Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Seth Mobile. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're talking about the best GoPro accessories for traveling. Let's get it. All right, guys, let's get straight into it. This is the GoPro Media Mod. So, all around great product if you're looking to vlog or you're looking to take your GoPro on your trips and you want to be able to vlog your moments. Now, it does have two internal microphones. You have one on the camera side and one on the screen side. And it's good, it's two directional, where if you're behind the camera, you want to talk, or if you're in front of the camera, you want to talk. Now, you do have two cold shoe mounts, one on top and one on the side if you want to mount an external microphone or an external light. And you can plug the external mic in here to the outlets. You have a USB-C, I think a micro USB, and then a auxiliary port. Now, it's great to have, like I said, if you want to vlog. I don't have a DSLR, so I kind of just use the GoPro throughout the Greece trip to vlog the entire trip. And it worked out fine. The only time I had bad audio was in the protective housing case. And other than that, everything was great. Speaking of the protective housing case, that is the next item that we have. Protective housing is great if you're doing anything rough or if you're going to go diving lower than 30 feet deep. The only reason why I used it was when we went snorkeling. I wanted to put the Polar Pro filters on and get rid of that red tint. You can see it in the video that we have on the Grease video. But I mean, it's just a great product. If you want to mount it outside of a car, put this on it in case it falls. You know, you don't want to mess up your screen. You don't want to mess up your camera lens. But other than that, yeah, definitely highly recommend. Next thing we have is the ZG Sign battery charger. So the ZG Sign battery charger is a 10,400 milliamp portable battery charger. It also charges 3 GoPro batteries and it has 4 slots for micro SD cards. Now, I believe you can charge these batteries up 3 of them 1.5 times, I believe it is. But other than that, you also have the USB-C cord, the outlet. You can plug it in, charge the whole thing from there, but you can also USB-C out. You can USB-C out, but you can't charge it with the USB-A port, but you can charge it out. This thing has saved my ass multiple times, especially on the airplane. My phone was about to die, so I kind of just plugged it into there and charged it up to 80%. And I believe it uses the batteries if this is dead. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I believe that's how it works. But definitely highly recommend. I think it's like 50 bucks on Amazon. Probably one of the best Amazon purchases I've had. Now, definitely highly recommend that. There is another one. I'd have to get it in a second, but the next item is the GoPro 3-way. It is a GoPro clip mount, the one you just slide in and mount it. Bear with me real quick. This might be a little squeaky. A lot of salt water got in this thing. But this thing is a great product. We use it a lot. Doubles as a tripod, and you can double it as a selfie stick. It's just great because it folds down. It's very compact. You can almost fit it in your back pocket if you need to. And then it comes with the strap, so we use it underwater a few times. But great thing to have, great thing to set up as a tripod. If you don't have one, definitely highly recommend getting this one. The next thing that we have is the GoPro El Grand. Now, this was my favorite item throughout the trip. I used it basically all the time. Anytime we were in water, anytime we were walking through the towns, I just had this in case I wanted to get an extended shot. It's just great. The funny thing is that this is the only thing throughout our entire trip that TSA grabbed me about. They flagged my bag and they said, empty it out, blah, blah, blah. And it was this. I guess they thought it was a weapon, but nah, just a selfie stick. It is aluminum, very durable, nothing getting into it, nothing making it rust. It does have this rubber grip throughout the entire thing, and it's just great. I added on a wrist strap for when we were underwater. I didn't want to drop the GoPro and let it drop 20 feet, so kind of just stuck this on, and yeah, worked out pretty well. But yeah, we got some amazing shots with this thing. Um, you can't ask for a better product, honestly. The only thing it doesn't have is a 1/4 20 mount, and you can't put a tripod on it. That's the only thing that would make it better, honestly. But other than that, my favorite item right here for selfie sticks or mounts, really. The next would be the GoPro bite mount. The GoPro bite mount is by far one of the most unique mounts that they make. It's a POV mount. You just stick it in your mouth and you can do anything with your hands. Now, the best part about this is it doubles as a clip mount. So you have the clip mount right here. You can take the El Grande and you can clip it on and you're good to go. Now you can extend it, get the shot you want to get, or you can undo this one and you can slip it onto the 3-way and you use that as your tripod and kind of just go from there. It's just a great product to have, and it's unique. You can create a lot of unique shots that a lot of people are like, how do you get that shot? Blah, blah, blah. But this is how. You just stick it in your mouth and now you can use your hands. And it makes a lot of difference in your shots when you do that. But yeah, I would say besides that, to make it all complete is get the GoPro Day Tripper. You can put a lot of stuff in here. I fit all this gear plus more, plus a DJI Mini 3 Pro drone in this bag, plus my iPad, all the cables, all of the equipment, and it all fit in this bag pretty well. And I would definitely highly recommend getting it. Just a good product to have. And yeah, so I think that's it on the GoPro accessories for traveling. If y'all have any questions, put them in the comments below and I will try to answer them. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.